Yeah.
He got to put down brakes. And he got down brakes. And this one straight, one straight. And this now for two. And he got brakes. And he got brakes. And we go down there.
Nobody.
Why?
Because.
Why?
Because that
What?
part's not open.
What is this right here? Did you say that was his air brake?
Yeah.
What does it do?
It hooks together.
It hooks together?
Yeah, and there's hooks.
That big thing is a hook?
Because he's broken.
Oh,
In there, because he's broken. And leave him there.
okay.
Leave him there.
Okay, we'll leave him there.
Okay? That makes your air brake go.
You think it does?
Yeah. And make it always he broken and he put a brake. He put down his brake.
Yeah.
See, he put down brakes. And he got on track. And he got rocked. I'll show you. See, that always has news. You see, he put down brakes. And he put down brakes. Put down brakes. He put down brakes.
Okay.
Don't break him.
You ready to go?
Yeah.
We got to go see Charlie in a minute.